Hello everyone, here is Rathod and today I have very special tool that is Telnyx multi switcher. Using this we can send this is unique way we can send bulk messages. So this is just a demonstration part. I'll show you each and everything how we can use this, and also I will test on multiple numbers as well. So you will see the benefit of this sender. Okay, so let's close everything and also close. You can see the response here as well. Like this we can send the messages. So let's close because I want to show you step by step. So it's close this one as well, close this one as well. Okay, so this is sender, multi sender. Okay, here let me show you. Just first go to template, and here you can add your messages. Here is a mess. Here is your message from Rathod, and whatever link with this is just a test message. You can add any message here that you want. So if you have multiple messages, you can just add like this. Okay, so this will take only one message at a time, but I don't need multiple messages, so just add in a single line. Let's close this one. Then let's run cmd nodemon server.js. So once it enter, it will open a browser and run your sender. You will see. Okay, so here is my USA text now number. You can see this is text now number. Let's copy and come here and just put +1. If you have multiple numbers, you can add, then format it. Then here is a sending speed, so you can just choose. I'm just choosing 3 seconds, and API you want to choose. We don't want to switch. Okay, so what about the API? Okay, and what is the multiple Telnyx multi switcher? So here is API, and just I don't want to show you this, and let me just show not paid plus because there is a important data. Here is a Telnyx. Actually this data is in this format. First is the number of a Telnyx, then this shine, and then API key of Telnyx. Okay, so let's copy and paste. So this is multiple, you can add like this. Okay, I don't want to save this. So this is multiple. So what it means, let me show you what it means. First message sent by first message sent by this API key, then next number is sent by this API key, and third number is sent by this API. If you have if your number list is more than API key, then it will come first line, second line, third line, fourth line, sixth line, seventh line. Okay, if you have 7 account, it will goes up, then again first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and 7, then again go back 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so like this wise it will take your number. And Telnyx account is easy to create. Okay, so I'll show you that one as well. So let's close this one. Okay, so same format I've just added here, API keys and everything. So don't want to save, so 3 numbers I've added, and let's send. And here is nothing, just only one message. Let me just click first. Here you can see here is a message, exact message, and let's send. So it's okay. Then you have to come here and you will see message comes. You can see it's instant. Okay, after 3 seconds it's also come. You will see here, just minute, second 2 is also come. Okay, you can see 2 and 3 is also come. So here is a magic. Okay, so it's awesome tool. It's a build in a Nodejs. Okay, so you can see here is an instant notification, 3 times we got with the link. Okay, so this is awesome. And also I'm using the spam filter with this, so you can filter your data. So it's amazing, amazing tool, and you can use like this. Okay, so for this tool, software, you need to install few things. First is a Node.js. Let me show you. To install Node.js, just click here, so you can just download. After download and install, it's a simple wizard. Just next, 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 and install. Sorry, after that you have to come to in your project, and just type here cmd, and after that we need to install nodemon. Npm install -g and nodemon, and hit enter. It will install the all necessary necessary things about nodemon. I think server is already started here, but so that's why it's taking time. But don't worry, it will just little take a time, maybe uh, 10 to 20 seconds, and will install each and everything. Just hold on. Okay, then install successfully. After that you need to check the nodemon version, nodemon -v, so you will see the nodemon 2.0.18. And also you need to check node -v means Node.js version, so you can see 16.14.0. so after installing this, you need to type it nodemon server.js and hit enter. I will not hit enter because my server is already started and so sending messages. So you can see here is my message. Look, and it's sent from this number. This is the message sent from this number. This is the message sent from this number. Okay, so multiple APIs, it's working with this tool, and it's working 100%. So this way we can send the bulk SMS. So this is just a demonstration part, and next part, if you request, please write a comment so I can make the complete video on it, how to make this application in a Node.js. So this is just a JavaScript project in a Node. So we can send bulk SMS. There are much more many things I have a design to make your messages delivered successfully. So if you like, please hit the subscribe button, and also write a comment and let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day.